Students, I hope you have done the test. Now it's time for checking. You have to see the marking carefully, then you have to give the marks and send me the marks. Okay, let's start. As the first question was, give the statement of BPT. Statement of BPT, you know very well, so many times you have just done the statement of all the theorems are too much important. These two exercise mainly depend on BPT, so your statement was asked, that is to be BPT. What is the answer of BPT? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. No need to draw the figure, only statement is required. If the statement is properly correct, then you will get the full mark. If any mistake is to be there, no need to give the marks, give the marks 0. Clear? The whole statement correct. Again going to repeat the statement. If a line drawn, just tally each and every word. Okay? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay? Second question is, you have to give the example of similar figures. Similar means which are having the same shape and the size in some proportion. Okay, so we can say all the circles, because the radii are in some particular ratio. All the circles, they are similar. Second is all the square, because if we just take any sides, then the corresponding sides, they are to be in same ratio. All the equilateral triangles, the sides are also equal. It means we just take the sides, any sides ratio, corresponding sides ratio, that is also become equal. So these are the three example of similar figures. So out of these three, any two you have written, then you have to give 2 marks. One example for each mark. Okay, now question number 3rd, that is of 3 marks. In question number 3rd, it has been given ABCD is a trapezium and its diagonal intersect at O. Then you have to show AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. For this, AO upon OB is equal to CO upon DO. For this, what is to be first step? You have to draw construction that take EO parallel to CD. EO parallel to CD. It means I can say that the figure as well as yours construction that contain half marks. Okay, figure plus construction, that is of half marks. Now let's start solution. As EO parallel to CD by construction and AB parallel to CD given, therefore can I say EO parallel to AB? Because why? If the lines parallel to same line, then these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, you have to write the reason. Again I am saying to you, in geometry reason is most important, so you have to give the reason of each and every step. Clear? Now first of all, take triangle ABD. In ABD triangle, EO parallel to AB. EO parallel to AB. So can you say AE upon ED is equal to BO upon DO by BPT? Okay, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal as the line parallel. Was only in first sum we have done the BPT, same we have applied here. Okay, now similarly you have to take triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, EO parallel to CD. Again take the corresponding sides ratio by BPT. That will become AO upon OC. AO upon OC, that is equal to AE upon ED. corresponding sides of ratio are equal by BPT theorem. Okay, from first and second, the both are having AE upon ED as common. Okay, AE upon ED, so we can just directly write. First you have just be applying BPT, give it number 1, and second time you are applying the BPT, then you have to write the result as 2. Then you can say from first and second, AO upon OC, that is equal to BO upon OD. Okay, again apply alternando, you can say AO upon BO, that is equal to CO upon DO. Now you have seen the solution. Let's how to do the mark. Just see here. For giving the marks, what is to be there? Half marks I already told, that was to be figure plus construction. Okay, and up to 1.5 you can give more, that is to be for one triangle. Okay, first triangle, it is of 3 marks now, so 1 marks is a two of this first triangle up to first side. Okay, another 1 mark you have to give for the another. Now 2.5 is to be there, then comparing from 1 and 2, writing the result is of half marks. Okay, writing of this is to be half marks, means half marks up to construction, 1 more mark up to first triangle, apply BPT, another 1 is to be for second triangle, apply BPT, third half marks is to be for comparing 1 and 2, or from 1 and 2 writing the result. Clear? Now let's do the last question. What was the last question? Last question was given that DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE in figure, and you have to show AD BF upon EF, that is equal to BE upon CE. This you have to show. Okay, for applying this one, again you have to just apply the same BPT. First of all, just see triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what is to be given? DE parallel to AC. DE parallel to AC. So you can say AD upon BD. AD upon BD, that is equal to CE upon BE. Clear? The reason, you have to write reason, that is BPT. You can take any triangle at first time, either triangle ABC or you can take triangle ABE. It's up to you. Clear? If you have taken first triangle ABC, then you have applied the BPT on that one. So write the reason BPT and you can give it as number 1. If you are taking the triangle ABE on the first, then you can take in triangle ABE DF parallel to AE. So I can write that AD upon that BD, that is equal to EF upon BF. Okay, so reciprocal, if we want to do, where you are going to start with the point, there you have to just start with the another triangle point. Okay, if you are writing BD upon AD, it will become BF upon EF by BPT. Okay, so equating first and second by just taking first triangle as to be as first, another is to be by 2. So taking first and 2, that will gives you EF upon BF is equal to CE upon BE. Or if you want to the reciprocal result, you can say BF upon EF is equal to BE upon CE. If you are taking the result directly also, then no need to do the reciprocal. According to just statement, if you are taking, then no need to do the reciprocal. Keep in mind this one. Okay, so how to give the marks for this? First of all, you have to take first triangle consideration and apply BPT is of 1.5 marks. Second triangle consideration and apply BPT. You have to just mention each and every step, that this line parallel to this, then ratio, then BPT, reason must be there, that everything is of 1.5 marks. Okay, comparing 1 and 2 and writing the desired result will again get 1 mark. Okay, total 4 marks is to be completed. Now I hope you have done the checking of your test by just looking to solution as well as your steps. Okay, now give the marks, do the collective marks out of 10, how much you are attaining, then send it to me so that I can maintain the record. Okay, I just again telling you, each and every student, I want every student marks, because some are not in the habit to give the marks. So please send me the marks as early as possible. Clear? Okay, bye students.